This year, for Halloween, I made a pumpkin using 3D printed parts, like teeth and eyes. Stick to the end of the video to see how you can print them. Step 1. It's recommended you have a pumpkin. Step 2. Cut a hole in the top and take the insides out. Step 3. Draw the outline with a Sharpie or pencil. Then cut it out with a knife. Step 4. Print off my design on the Bamboo Lab app. Then colour in the eyes, and then put them in the pumpkin. I recommend cutting a little hole before you stick them in. Then you can stick the teeth in. And finally, you're left with a really cool looking pumpkin. Let's see what it's like when the lights are switched off. This is what it looks like. I also made this pumpkin and this sloth one last year. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked my pumpkins, please give a like and subscribe. And check out my design on the Bamboo Lab app and even print it.